I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, Ernest. Yeah. I'm logging onto my job every day. Stealing calculators from a villager's house. Killing iron golems, killing the Ender Dragon. Day after day. And what's the problem here is... I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to furnace. I need to furnace, yeah. I need to furnace. I need to furnace. I need to furnace, yeah. Furnaces are the problem, but not for me. Time to get pieces of cobblestone, but I'm on oop. It's because I created a new world, and it's time for payback, Minecraft. You make Minecraft so difficult because there's a problem. I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, yeah. I need to burn it. I need to burn it, Ernest. Here's another furnace, but there is a hacker not trusting you today, and it's time for a payback. And it is, here is the payback. Last time I saw you, you stole my diamonds, but I was supposed to have diamonds because noobs don't have furnaces. So I'm one of them because I found them in a desert temple. And there's the biggest problem in the world. I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, Ernest. I need to burn it, Ernest. Yeah. I need to furnace, furnace. I need to burn it. Pow.